Hey NoobTubers, time for another episode of what's being reviewed for crowdfunding. This time I think we finally got what I've been waiting for a while, and it's from Kickstarter. Let's open it up and find out what it is. I have an idea, but I wasn't for sure. So let's open this up. Let's see what it is. Got my trusty blades right here. Opening this up. Put that upside down. Okay, yes it is. This is the Seldi versatile filming device. It's basically a video rig. You can do all kinds of stuff. Like you can see, you can do, and mainly used for POV, like I am right now. Currently, I'm using a tripod with my GoPro, but this one you can actually use it actually hangs around your neck, and it lets you do the same thing POV, but you can move around. But it has so many other features too, not just POV. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. Okay, there's a thank you note for the support for the Kickstarter. There's also the website, warranty information, and these show you basically it's instruction. It shows you what it comes with. It comes with one Seldi, one dust bag, one body strap, one mounting screw, one universal mount, one smartphone holder, one stabilizer kit. These are the mounting hardware. Shows you what to do. One stabilizer kit to use for your gimbal. These are the Seldi basics for the POV, as you can see right here. Let me zoom in. You can see this is how you mount your GoPro, and this are the different angles of the POV that you can do and start recording. You can also see that it comes with a body strap, I guess to more stabilize so it doesn't shake that much, and also a stabilizer kit. And see here, this is the Be a Director Seldi bag that comes with. I wouldn't say it's a high quality bag, but it's a bag at least to hold your Seldi in. I will most likely use a different bag. Okay, here you have the body strap, and here are the pieces to mount your GoPro onto the Seldi stick. This one looks like if you can see here, the Seldi back. These are all the screws that come with it. So most likely my future recordings will be on the Seldi rather than my tripod that I've been using, just to see if I can see if it works. Using my tripod, it's a little bit uncomfortable. I don't have a lot of room to move around, but I'm assuming with the Seldi stick I'll have a lot more options. You see here, this is the cell phone holder. This is the GoPro holder. And over here we have more screws to hold different items. This is used right here to be used as a stabilizer. If you have a gimbal or something, you can use in combination with this. It's pretty heavy. Use in combination with a gimbal. And this is also can be used with your GoPro, so you can mount different directions. That you can see tilt your GoPro in different directions while mounted. Very nice. So you can see here, these are all the items that came with it. And finally, let's take a look at what we have in the box, which is actually the Seldi mount itself. Just gonna load these over here to the side. Move my knife out of the way since we don't need it anymore. Okay. It's a nice box, by the way. Very nice. Loaded pretty well. Put this in the background. Okay, as you can see here, this is the Seldi mount right here. Loosen this up a little bit. And so what you would do is you would mount this right here, right here. So as you can see here, this part right here, this upper part is where your body will sit, your neck. And this bottom part right here is where your GoPro will sit. So for instance, if you wanted to mount your GoPro in here, you would use this long screw. Boom. Put my GoPro in here. Mount it like this. As you can see, this would sit on my neck right here, GoPro here, face out right here, and there you have it. As you can see, POV would be like this from now on. And then I'll be recording, have more free room, free hands, won't hit the tripod anymore. We'll be good to go. So my next couple items, I'm gonna start using this, see how it works. But you can use this as many things. You can use this as the primary thing is a POV mode, but you also have a tripod mode, which they talk about, where you would just pretty much like this, mount it up here. This, and then you would just unscrew it. And then I believe you would just screw it through here. Yes. Just screw it right here. And there you have it. It sits as a tripod. You also have a selfie stick mode. They're talking about where you just hold it like this. You would just hold it towards you like this, and it'll be selfie stick mode. You have a stabilizer mode where this would sit underneath here. As you can see, you would mount this in here. This is how you would use this as a stabilizer. The gimbal with your gimbal. So I'll put a link. They actually do a pretty good job on their Kickstarter page or their main homepage, where they actually walk you through the steps of the different types of mounts and what they're used for and the different positions you'll have it. So in my next episode, I'll show you what I've been using as a tripod wise and what I'm gonna use the Seldi, and see how that works. Hopefully this was a good investment on Kickstarter. And that's about it for the Seldi versatile filming device. Hope you guys enjoyed my videos so far. More to come. I have a lot more gadgets. Please subscribe if you like what you see, and please leave a comment on any suggestions I can do to make this better. Thanks guys. Have a nice day. Bye.